In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a case on eBay. If you've received an item that has a problem or you need to start the return process for a purchase, eBay makes it fairly straightforward to do this from your account. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can quickly find the order and begin resolving the issue. To get started, sign into your eBay account and go to the main eBay homepage. Once you're there, look toward the top area of the screen for the My eBay menu. Move your cursor over My eBay to open the drop-down options. This menu gives you access to different sections of your account, including your buying activity, selling activity, saved items, and order-related tools. If you don't immediately see the option you need, just pause for a moment and let the drop-down fully appear. From that menu, click on Purchase History. This will take you to the section of your account where eBay stores the details of the items you've bought. Purchase history is the best place to manage an order after checkout because it shows your recent purchases and gives you action options for each one. If you've made several purchases, take a moment to locate the correct item carefully so you don't open a request on the wrong order. Once you find the item that has the issue, select it and choose Return the item. This is the option that begins the process of pinning a case related to that purchase. When you click it, eBay will guide you through the return or issue reporting flow connected to that order. Make sure you select the correct purchase before continuing, especially if you bought similar items from the same seller. As you go through this process, it helps to be clear and accurate about the problem with the item. That can make the case easier to review and can help speed up the resolution. You'll want to follow the prompts eBay provides on the screen and review the information before submitting anything. And that's it. To open a case on eBay, hover over My eBay, click Purchase History, then find the problematic item and choose Return the item. If you follow those steps carefully, you'll be in the right place to start resolving the issue with your order. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.